folks, Grandpa Greenwald, old man with a pan. Well, today, I hadn't used these before, or this one before. We're going to make us a pound cake in this lamb, leg forward lamb. It's a lot larger than the smaller 866 lambs, if you will. I made the batter about, I made it 25% bigger, just thinking that we had at least 25% more. So let's see if we can get it down in this mold here. All right. Made it with buttermilk. All kinds of yummy. Got 6 eggs in it. Recipe called for 4 eggs, and I figured 25% more. All right, let's see what we can. Well, I came pretty close, maybe a little bit too much, but I'll put that in something. Let's see what we got here. Get those cavities filled in down there where the base is. We'd like to have her standing up if we could. Okay, we're down in there. We'll take a little bit more for the head. Boy, it's a big cake. Drip for the ear. I want the ear to be down in there, nice and solid. I think we're good. We're gonna, I use skewers instead of toothpicks. I'm gonna put a skewer up in that ear there. Just right there, it'll cover the top of that. And one on this side. And then just a little help in the neck. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. You can pull them out. Doesn't hurt to add a little support. All righty. I'll figure out the rest of this here. I have the oven preheated for 375 degrees. Stick the top on this baby. I need to put it on a pan. We're in. We're going to do 375 degrees for about 55 minutes or so. Might even do an hour. It's not gonna hurt it. All righty. Say goodbye to the lamb. We'll be back in an hour or so. All righty, 55 minutes in the oven. You see the pieces around the edges there that turn brown out here. No reason to suspect. Look at this. Look at that crispy there. That's going to be done all through and through. We're going to let it cool off here for a while. We'll open it up. All right, let's see what we got here. Some cake mold. Anybody guess what kind of cake's in here? Let's take the top off. Wow. Wow. Clean as can be inside. Clean as a whistle. Let's try her out. Well, she's looking good back here. Got nice and done. Boy, not a piece of anything on there. All righty. I think that baby will come out right there, just like she is. Put her back on. Flip her over. Again, second guess. What kind of cake is in here? This is real hot. All right, let's see if this baby will come out of there. Look at that, look at that. You just walk her onto this rack here. And if she doesn't come out, she doesn't come out. That's the way it is. Just see if we can walk her out. I'll just let her run out there. Where's mine? There it is. And she's coming out, came out right out. Perfect. I don't know what I was worried about. That one piece was splitting there. But it was nothing to worry about. It was just a piece in the center. Let's see what we got here. So it didn't quite fill out. Didn't quite fill out to come into the cone of the lamb, but oh well. There's our buttermilk pound cake. That answers the question, by the way. It's a buttermilk, a heavy buttermilk pound cake, standing up out of the pan.